Hey everybody, welcome back. This is just going to be a little bit of an update video for the 1113 project. Not a lot going to happen in it, but I wanted to catch up on what we're doing with the cylinder head. If you remember when I last left off with this, I mentioned we were going to try a few different things to it. Going to try doing some soaking with it. I had been trying to push penetrating oil in through these set screw holes to get some sort of seepage going on around the upper bores of those chambers where I think they're stuck the most. Limited success with that. I've been rattling on them with an impact, trying to just induce some vibration. I didn't think it was going to loosen them up, but just kind of harassing it. And now we've got it in this pan here, and you can see liquid in the water jackets. We've got Evapo-Rust. Pretty much filling that whole thing up. Takes just about 1.5 gallons to do a D3400 head. We just have this piece of angle with some cork under it clamped to seal that coolant passage at the back. I made a little bit of a block off plate for the front here, and I just put number 4 pre-combustion chamber back in with the set screw, siliconed it, glued it just enough to make this thing hold liquid. So we're soaking everything from the inside, trying to free up those other 3 chambers. Now, I don't know that the Evapo-Rust is going to completely do the job, but I know it certainly can't hurt, and at the very least, I'll get those water jackets cleaned out in the process. And still related to the pre-combustion chamber front, I repaired my home-built tool, and I went and purchased 1F479 authentic, original, new old stock, never been used Cat Factory tool, right and proper tool from Floor & Tractor in Sacramento. They had one. Dana sold to me for a pretty good price. Unfortunately, when the package showed up, it appeared the U.S. Postal Service decided I did not need that tool because it was no longer in the box. And somehow it blasted out of there, got lost, something. Really unfortunate. I guess the only good part is I called Dana, let him know what happened, and Florin made it right. I guess no harm, no foul. Those guys really stood tall, and I've never had a bad experience dealing with them. They've always came through, and they've always offered excellent service, even when bad things like this happen. It's unfortunate because that tool sat on a shelf for I don't know how many decades, never even got the chance to be used, and it's probably fell out of the back of a truck or laying in the bottom of a shipping crate or something somewhere. I don't know. Anyway, that's unfortunate. But on the bright side, I think I have a line on another one. This one's not going to be a new old stock, never been used. This one's probably going to be a well-used tool, but that 1F479 hex tool is something I'm going to have for those pre-combustion chambers. I'm going to put any amount of torque on them at all. So again, I believe I have one of those coming. I'll update you if and when it shows up. So that's pretty much where we stand. Like I said, we're not getting anything done. I want to let you guys know what's happening with the cylinder head, some of the work we're doing to it, and we'll just keep harassing that thing, and we'll work those chambers over. I'm just going to give that Evapo-Rust a little bit of time to set, and we'll see if it does its thing and helps us out with that at all. Thanks for watching, everybody. Tune in again.